Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can join Shein's affiliate program. So for that you need to open up the official website of Shein and then scroll down to the very bottom. After that you will be able to see the affiliate option over here if affiliate program is currently going on. Otherwise you won't be able to see it, so you will have to check again and again in order to join the affiliate program. And one of the way to join affiliate program is that you go to the Google and search for Shein affiliate program. After that, if affiliate program is available, then you will be able to see it over here. And since you can see that affiliate program for Canada is available over here, in the same way affiliate program for US will be available too. Make sure to open it up from official website, otherwise you might end up on a website which is not providing affiliate program at all but rather taking up your data. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.